Hi, what's up? What's up, guys? It's Nolay. And like I promised, I'm bringing y'all a tutorial. Now, the first tutorial I'm doing involves lips. Because every single time I either get a request to either do lips, eyes. I don't know why y'all want eyes. I've been doing the same shit for years. There's one over here that I did all the way back. So I'm gonna put it up here. Click on this little card up here if you want to go and blast in the past and go look at it, because honey, I've been doing the same shit for years. Now if you want a new one, I can get you a new one, but honey, it's the same shit. It's the same shit. There's a little bit of elevated, you know what I'm saying, a little bit of zhuzhed up, if you will, you know what I'm saying, just a little something. Okay, so now this tutorial we're gonna talk about all about these lips. Now, if you don't like big lips, I'm sorry. You might as well exit this video right now. I am black, okay? We like to draw big lips. So, okay, us black people like to draw super big lips because, you know, we born with that. Not trying to say that nobody else is born with big lips, but I'm just saying. You know, it's kind of in the culture. You know what I'm saying? It's kind of in the culture to draw big lips. And plus, I'm a big connoisseur for bow ties. I love bow ties. I love injections, stuff like that. That's my tea. And here's a fun fact: Nolay used to have Botox back in the day, honey. Like way back in the day when I was working at MAC Cosmetics. Let me know if y'all want a story time of why I quit MAC Cosmetics. Cause honey, I'm gonna have to give y'all a little some tea. Have to give y'all some tea. That company ain't all that. Just saying. But yeah, so first off, we're gonna start off with some lips. Now, I'm gonna try to teach y'all a little something. I'm not just gonna dive right into color. I'm gonna try to teach y'all a little something. So usually when people make lips, they do like these three like little circles, like one right here, one right here, and then they kind of play like connect the dots around these. I don't do that shit. I'm gonna be 100% honest with you. I don't do that shit. I just draw some damn lips. I just do like a little I'll show y'all. I just do like a little you know, go about my day, you know, do that. Once I get the middle down, I kind of got the guideline of where I want to go. See, then boom, 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 boom. This is gonna be raggedy as hell. I'm sorry. This is gonna be more raggedy than a goddamn Project Girl weave that be wearing pack hair. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, see, boom. See, that's usually how I be going, but you know, more refined. That was just a quick version. I'll leave a link to this little lip thing. This little lip thing is gonna have a watermark on it because y'all bitches like to steal. Swipe or don't swipe me. But it's gonna have a little watermark on it and everything, and it'll be down in the description so y'all can sit over here and practice along with me. Like, why not? Usually, first I like to lay down a base color, which is basically gonna be the skin tone. Let's do a little some of this. Let's see what we could do. Ooh, no ma'am. Okay, we could do that. We could do that. Boom. And then we're gonna change our sketch layer to multiply, and then we're gonna turn that down a little bit. Now at this point, this is when we start adding the base shading. We're gonna start adding the base shading. Now, usually when people tell you to draw lips, oh, no ma'am, calm down, sis. Turn that opacity down a bit, darling. Oh, no, ma'am. Oh, no, ma'am. So now we're just going to go ahead and just throw some base shading on it. Now, usually when people tell you when you're going to do some glossy lips, because we're doing glossy lips today. We're not doing no matte velour liquid lipstick today. We're doing The Gloss by Shea Dawson, okay? Feels bad. It got sold out and I want it. Feels bad. So what I want to do is I want to identify where the main light source is going to be. So as you can see, my light source is going to be over here. Hold on, let me do it in different colors so y'all can see this. My light source is going to be over here. The shadow is going to be over here, right? Now that we got the base color in, we could go ahead and start adding some darker colors. Now I'm gonna speed through this because y'all don't need to be seeing me shade on some damn darker colors. So we just gonna time lapse through this and I'll see y'all in a second. Now we're gonna go in and start adding some highlights. Catch that light. We're gonna start adding some base highlights. So see, this is gonna look basic as fuck right now, but let me tell you, it gets better, okay? It gets better. What we're doing is we're laying down the base. So that way when we go in, when we add this highlights, it gonna be good as hell, and we're gonna be vibing chicken and frying. Okay. Y'all ain't know nothing about that chicken and frying. Honey, y'all ain't see, honey, y'all ain't know about that. Okay, now I think this is acceptable. Now we gotta go into blending. So here goes this watercolor tool. I just found out about this, to be honest. I'm not even gonna front with y'all. I just found out about this watercolor tool. So beforehand, I used to be like, oh bitch, let me go in and just use this airbrush, right? Bitch, I just found out about this damn tool and I messed with the settings a bit. So here y'all go. Here are the settings right here on the left, freeze frame. And there you go, freeze frame. Honey, this is a game changer. This was a game changer for me. So now, you see we still got this little line. You see we got the line work. So let's go ahead and put in this teeth real quick before we even get to blending. I don't know why I was talking about blending so early. We ain't even put the teeth in. I'm gonna actually show y'all how to do realistic teeth, maybe depending on how lazy I am by the time we get done with these lips. We got the mouth in. We got the mouth in. Hold on, let me put a little bit of this. Okay, we got a little bit of the mouth. We got the mouth. Now what we're gonna go ahead and do, because you know, y'all know what I be doing. I merge all my layers. Sorry about it. Oh, hold up. Let me not merge this one, because I still got to put something in the description so y'all can come along with me. Okay, so this little tool right here, this watercolor tool, the one I was talking about earlier, this is going to be our best friend. Okay, this is going to be our best friend. This is going to be our homie. This is going to be our little connoisseur. Now, don't sit over here and make the whole damn thing fucking blurry. That is a big thing I feel like a lot of artists struggle with when they decide to get tools like this that make it easier to blend. When you just make everything blurry, y'all entire picture gonna come out looking blurry. Even in real life, especially when you use real life references, even in real life, there are blurry parts to photos, but then there's also those sharp, those clean, like real cut parts of the face or whatever the fuck you painting. Same thing with animals. If you painted animals, hi. Yeah, if you painted animals, boom, there you go. It's the same formula. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna have some rough parts, then you're gonna have some blended parts. It's the same thing. When you over blend, cause I can show you what your shit is gonna look like when you start over blending shit. Hold on, let me get you. I'm gonna show y'all what it's gonna look like. It's gonna start looking like this. Now, this is my way of doing lips. This may not be the proper way of doing lips, but honey, this is my way. This is Nolay way. Okay, this what get me by. This what my clients come to me for. You know what I'm saying? Give them that good stuff. Supply and demand, baby. Okay, now that I done taught y'all how to do the base. Oh, by the way, if you hear a fucking fire alarm chirping, I'm so fucking sorry. My apartment doesn't like to come over here and fix shit in a timely fucking fashion. So, bitch, we just gonna have to deal with it. Okay. So, this is what we got so far. You know, I done taught y'all how to do the base lips. And that's the tutorial. Bye. No, I'm just joking. Now we gotta get into actual color. Okay, so I kind of want to be a basic bitch and just go pink. But I know y'all not going to allow me to be a basic bitch and go pink. So what we're going to do is we're going to just go play around with some color. Let's just play around with some color. I'm going to just throw this down. Turn this to multiply. We're just going to throw this down for a minute. I told you I was going to be basic, bitch. I told you I was going to be basic. Lit. So since we got us some pink, we got us some stunner lip paint by Rihanna going on. Now we gotta start adding in some details, because you can leave it like this. Like, trust and believe, you can leave it like this if you want. I'm not, because I ain't that basic, you know what I'm saying? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start adding like some little lip wrinkles, some little lip cracks. Usually if you want to go for that real silicone lip, you wouldn't do this, but I feel like this brings some more dimension into the lips when you do a little something like this. And don't do them big like I'm doing. I'm just over here bullshitting, okay? Do them like thin like this. And don't be doing a lot of them depending on what you want to do, unless you just want to look like you got some cracky ass lips. Then we're gonna turn down the opacity, as you can see that I've done, and where you can leave it like that if you want to. I don't want to, so we just gonna turn down the opacity. And then we're gonna go in with a lot of color. And then I want to kind of turn these to screen maybe, and then turn down the opacity. Nah, how about we turn them to shine and then turn down the opacity? Okay, I can deal with that. Sis, we can deal with that. Okay, boom. Okay, boom. Another layer, we're going to do this to shine. Now, this is how we're going to get our gloss. This is where the gloss going to come from, okay? This is what we're going to do. I'm going to show you how we do what it do up in this house, baby. Now, I want a very high shine type of gloss. And at this time, you can legit play with whatever the fuck you want. Like, just play around with your gloss. Like, I want it kind of look like, oh, hold up. Let's add a little bit right here. Add a little bit right here. It could be wiggly or whatever, because we're going to fade it out and make it look 10 times good is what it looks like right now. And don't forget to put some gloss over here now. It ain't like you just got some gloss over here. You got some gloss over here too. Look at that, Queen. Yes. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna start making it blurry, because there's some more shit we gotta do before we even get close to doing what we want to do. First of all, I don't like how this color looking, so we're gonna come over here and turn this to white a little bit. Okay, boom. Now we're gonna go below that and we're gonna make another shiner layer. If you use a Photoshop, you can just use color dodge. That's another similar way. Eyebrows draws. Now what we just want to add a little bit more color underneath the... Ooh, hold up. Ooh, that's cute. I want some purple. Bitch, we added some purple. Now we're gonna go back to our highlight layer, the shine layer, where we laid the base of the gloss. And we're gonna add some... Ooh. We're gonna add another shine, but we're gonna add in whites. We're gonna do it in white, like pure white. We're gonna make it smaller than what it was though. Boom, you got you some simple gloss, bitch. Have fun, yes. Got you some gloss. Sparkle, baby, sparkle. Look at that gloss, bitch. Look at that showing out. Now, teeth. We could do teeth. I guess we could do teeth. Now, at this point, you could go in and start adding your finishing touches. Let's go. And with that, y'all, your lips are complete. Now, I hope y'all learned something. I really don't think y'all hoes learned something. To be completely honest with y'all, I don't think y'all learned anything. Because I don't think I taught this right. But hopefully I did, because I don't feel like doing that tutorial again. Oh, by the way, I'm not going to be able to leave the sketch down below. You want to know why? Because a bitch accidentally merged every fucking thing. So y'all not getting the sketch, so I'm sorry, bitch. I'm sorry, I merged everything by accident. It is too far gone, honey. So get you some lips. Get you some lips real quick and come along. Cause my dumb ass. Hold up. First of all, I need to clean some of this up down here. I can't just be going out here just looking all raggedy and shit. No, ma'am. Gotta clean some of this up. We gotta clean some of this up, baby. And with that, your lips should be complete now. Now, I know about y'all, but I'm about to go make me some breakfast. It is currently, what time is it? 6:27 a.m. is when I'm filming this, okay? A bitch needs something to eat. Now, if you learned something, hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that subscribe button. And hit that bell icon. I upload Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, honey, at 2 p.m. Central Standard Time. Honey, so if you going to school, honey, as soon as you get out, there's going to be a video waiting for you Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Okay, honey? And hopefully, I will see you again. Mwah. Follow me on all my social medias. Oh, by the way, join the Discord. I have an art posting channel up in there that you can sit over there and post your art. I don't respond to a lot of shit up in there, but I look at everybody's pieces of artwork. And honey, y'all are some beautiful, talented individuals, okay? Y'all are very talented, and I am so happy that this new generation has very good talent that is ready to flourish, honey. And I will see you next time, guys. Bye.